Good morning, student of class 10th. Welcome to online platform of Sri Academy. In mathematics of chapter 3, pair of linear equation into variable. Today I discussed the exercise 3.5. In this exercise, the sum important point related to the solving of questions. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it has unique solution. Second, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it has infinite number of solution. Third, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it has no solution. Now start the exercise 3.5. Student, all of you solve the first questions by elimination or substitution method, because cross multiplication method will be deleted. Therefore, now start the question number 2. For which value of a and b will the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solution? 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a minus b into y equal minus 3a plus b minus 2. Second, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? 3x plus y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x minus k minus 1 into y equal to 2k plus 1. Solution. The given pair of linear equation in two variables are 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and a minus b into y plus a plus b into y minus 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, a1 by a2 equal to 2 divided by a minus b. b1 by b2 equal to 3 divided by a plus b and c1 by c2 equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Since according to questions it has infinitely many solutions, therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Now you can write 2 divided by a minus b equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. On solving, you can write 6a plus 2b minus 4 equal to 7a minus 7b. On solving, you can write a minus 9b equal to minus 4. This is the equation first. Again, 2 divided by a minus b equal to 3 divided by a plus b. By cross multiplication, you can write 2a plus 2b equal to 3a minus 3b. On solving, you can write a minus 5b equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. These two equations solve by elimination method. Therefore, equation 1 is subtracted from equation 2. Therefore, you can write 4b equal to 4 or b equal to 1. Substituting the values of b in equation 2, we obtained a minus 5 into 1 equal to 0 or a equal to 5. Therefore, you can say that a equal to 5 and b equal to 1 are the values for which the given equation gives infinite many solution. Second, the given pair of linear equation in two variable are 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, a1 by a2 equal to 3 divided by 2k minus 1. b1 by b2 equal to 1 divided by k minus 1 and c1 by c2 equal to 1 divided by 2k plus 1. Since according to questions it has given the pair of linear equation has no solution, therefore you can say that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, this can be written 3 divided by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 divided by k minus 1 not equal to 1 divided by 2k plus 1. Taking first and second, therefore it can be written 3 divided by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 divided by k minus 1. By cross multiplication, you can write 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. On solving, you get k equal to 2. Therefore, you can say that for k equal to 2, the given pair of linear equation has no solution. This is the answer. Question number 4. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. Question number first. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining charges on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, C has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas another student B who takes food for 26 days pay rupees 1180 rupees as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Second questions. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 3 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. Third, S scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then S would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in a test? Now, first, let the X be fixed charge of the food and Y is the charge for food per day. According to the given questions, case first. Since the student A takes a food for 20 days, therefore X plus 20y equal to 1000 equation first. Case second. X plus 26y equal to 1180 equation 2. Subtracting 1 from equation 2, we obtained 6y equal to 180 or y equal to 30. Substituting these values in equation 1, we obtained x plus 20 into 30 equal to 1000 or x equal to 1000 minus 600 or x equal to 400. Therefore, you can say that the fixed charge equal to rupees 400 and charge per day equal to rupees 30. This is the answer. Second, let the fraction be x divided by y. According to the given information in the questions, case first. If 1 is subtracted from the numerator, then it becomes 1 by 3. Therefore, you can write x minus 1 divided by y equal to 1 by 3. On solving, you can write 3x minus y equal to 3. This is the equation 2. Case second. If 8 added in the denominator, then it becomes 1 by 4. Therefore, you can write x divided by y plus 8 equal to 1 by 4. On solving, you can write 4x minus y equal to 8. This is the equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we obtained x equal to 5. Now putting these values in equation 1, we obtain 15 minus y equal to 3 or y equal to 12. It means the numerator equal to 5 and denominator equal to 12. Therefore, you can say that the fraction equal to 5 divided by 12. Third, let the number of right answer be x and wrong answer be y. Then, according to the given questions, you can write 3x minus y equal to 40. This is the equation first. And 4x minus 2y equal to 50, or 2x minus y equal to 25. This is the equation 2. Subtracting equations 2 from equation 1, we obtained x equal to 15. Substituting the values of x in equation 2, we obtained 30 minus y equal to 25 or y equal to 5. It means you can say that the number of right answer equal to 15 and wrong answer equal to 5. Therefore, you can say that the total number of questions in a test equal to 15 plus 5 equal to 20. This is the answer. Student, all of you solve and complete it. This is the homework. Thank you.